is doing an amazing thing. They have a goal of donating 125,000 meals to San Diego Food Bank. And you can directly help by purchasing a Cutwater Fridge Run race kit. A fridge run, you might ask, is me going from here to there to get my Cutwater. Huh? We've been preparing for the past year. Like, we're ready. So all you have to do is go buy a race kit, and before January 23rd and 24th, post videos of yourself, working out, training, exercising, preparing for the fridge run. It may be short, but you need to be prepared. Use the hashtags and sign up from the link in my bio. It's a good cause. Let's donate these meals.